Sometimes people ask me, Don, where do you get your materials that you make stuff with? Well, I'm gonna show you where you get some of those materials from. Look at what we have over there. Oh, that's gonna be great. I'm gonna go get it. It's my favorite color too, red. You know what I like to do with things that are painted red. And there you have it. That's where I get my materials. If you're interested in a big red heart, let me know. The moral of the story, if you see a hood in the hood, turn it into something good. Look at that. Oh, I love it. They both hang on the wall too. Oh, what a great day.